Let's face it, folks, exercise can be so intimidating. Many hesitate to even start. Whether it's fear of getting hurt, being too out of shape, or just the thought of being unable to keep up. But here's the good news. Exercise doesn't have to be scary. Some gentler options still work wonders for your body. And today, I'll show you how. If you've ever thought, well, I can't do that anymore, or I'm not sure, where to begin, this workout is for you. This is part of my 5BX60 program, and we're modifying it so you can do them safely from a chair. No getting on the floor, no jumping, and no risk of straining your joints. Just gentle, effective movements that will keep you strong and mobile. And I promise you, you won't need any fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair and a little bit of space. Now, first up is the toe touch. Normally this involves standing and reaching down, but let's make it easier. While seated, we can still stretch and activate those muscles without the need to bend over. Here's how we do it. Okay, now sit up straight with your chair and with your feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend one leg out in front of you. Keeping it straight, reach both arms toward your toes as far as you comfortably can. Now hold for a few seconds and then switch legs. You'll feel that stretch in your hamstrings and it's gentle on your back. Next, we have the modified traditional sit-ups. Now they might be tough on your back, but this one lets you work your core muscles safely while seated. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Lean back just slightly while keeping your core engaged. Don't go too far. Then return to the starting position. You're working your abs without the strain of a full sit-up, and your back will thank you for that. Now, let's strengthen the back with a seated Superman. The traditional Superman might involve lying on the floor. But here's the seated version that still gives you great results. Sit up straight with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Slowly raise your arms in front of you as you're reaching for something, and at the same time, gently arch your back. Hold for a moment and then slowly lower. This move strengthens the muscles of your back while protecting your spine. Next up, a seated push-up. Push-ups on the floor can be tough, but this version is gentle on the shoulders and wrists, and here's how it works. Place your hands on the seat of your chair, keeping your elbows close to your body. Now push up and lower yourself down just a little, and push back up. Focus on using your arms and chest and ensure you control the movement. This version targets your upper body while being gentle on the joints. Finally, let's get the heart rate up with a seated cardio march. If you think cardio requires a treadmill or jumping, think again. You can pump blood with a simple march in the chair. So sit up tall and just march in place, lifting each knee as high as comfortable. You can swing your arms to increase intensity or keep it light. The goal is to keep your heart rate up while staying safe and comfortable. Plus, this is a great move for improving circulation. And there you have it. 5 full body exercises from the 5BX60 program, all modified from the safety and comfort of a chair. These moves are easy on the joints and they still give you a full workout. So there's really no excuses to skip it, whether you're new to exercise or just you want to need a gentler approach to it. These exercises will help you stay strong and mobile and independent. Now for something a little fun. If you've been following me for a while, I love a good challenge. So here's the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. But wait, it's not just for people who jump rope. You can do this seated or standing. The challenge is to do 100 jumps, whether with a rope or just mimicking the motion of it. And you don't have to worry about keeping perfect count. Just do your best. This is all about your body, having fun, and challenging yourself at your own pace. If you found this workout helpful, then hit the subscribe button for more practical, easy to follow workouts that help you stay strong and active no matter your age. And don't forget to check with your doctor before starting any new fitness routine, especially if you've got any health concerns. You've got this, one step at a time. We'll see you next time. I'll see you in the next video. So take care and keep moving, folks.